Welcome to 5-Minute German Grammar. Thank you for watching. This presentation will introduce the formal imperative. German verbs have three moods: the indicative, the imperative, and the subjunctive. Moods are not to be confused with verb tenses, which indicate when the action of a verb occurs. For example, in the sentence you see on the screen, Ich sehe den Baum, I see the tree, the verb sehe is in the present tense. It describes an action that is taking place in the present moment and not, say, in the past. The sentence also happens to be in the indicative mood. Verbal moods express a speaker's attitude towards what is being said or expressed in a sentence. The indicative mood is used to make factual statements, ask questions, or express opinions as if they were facts. The use of the indicative mood here expresses the fact that, indeed, I am seeing a tree. Every verb we have examined up to this point has been in the indicative mood. The imperative mood is used to form commands and requests. The easiest imperative form to learn is the formal, as it requires only a slight modification to the syntax of the sentence. For example, the sentence you see here, Sie lesen das Buch, you read the book, is in the indicative mood as it reports on the action of the subject. To make this statement into a command, you simply need to put the verb in the first position, the formal pronoun Sie in the second position, and add an exclamation point. Lesen Sie das Buch, read the book. This sentence is now in the imperative mood. Since this is the formal imperative, you can only use this in formal speech situations. For example, when speaking to a stranger or a supervisor. The formal imperative is easy to learn in that its form is exactly the same as the formal present tense form of a verb. The only exception to this rule is the verb sein, to be, which has irregular imperative forms. The formal imperative form, as you see here, is seien, as in, seien Sie vorsichtig, be careful. The 5-Minute German Grammar Series is produced by David Neville, Associate Professor of German. The videos, scripts, and lecture slides are released under a Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, Share Alike 4.0 International License. Don't be a square, remix and share.